Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to EVS online class. So, take out your EVS notebook. Here are some question and answers. Today, we will discuss about it. National symbols. Which is our national bird? Peacock. Which is our national bird? It is peacock. Answer is P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Which is our national animal? Which is our national animal? Answer is tiger. Answer is tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Third question. Which is our national flower? Which is our national flower? Answer is lotus. Lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. Which is our national fruit? Which is our national fruit? Answer is mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Which is our national game? Which is our national game? Answer is hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y. These are some symbols, national symbols. Name three seasons. Name three seasons. Summer season. Second is rainy season. Third is winter season. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. S-E-A-S-O-N. Season. Rainy season. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy season. S-E-A-S-O-N. Season. Winter season. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. S-E-N-C-S-O-N. Season. Next, write two things that we get from plants. Write two things that we get from plant. Answer is fruits, vegetables. Fruits, vegetables. F-R-U-I-T-S-V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. Write the name of two birds. Write the name of two birds. Parrot, crow. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. C-A-R-O-W. Crow. Write the name of two birds that live in water. Write the name of two birds that live in water. Duck and swan. Duck and swan. D-U-C-K. Duck. S-W-A-N. Swan. Write the name of two plants. Coconut tree and mango tree. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. T-R-E. Tree. Mango tree. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. T-R-E. Tree. So these are few questions. Write it in your EVS notebook. And before, vegetables grow under the ground. Here are few vegetables that grow under the ground. Potato. P-A-T-A-T-O. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Turnip. T-U-R-N-I-P. Turnip. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Sweet potato. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Ginger. G-I-N-G-E-R. Ginger. These are the few vegetables that grow under the ground. Now let's write the few vegetables that grow above the ground. Cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower. Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. Brinjal. B-R-I-N-G-A-L. Brinjal. Beans. B-E-A-N-S. Beans. Lady's finger. L-A-D-Y-S-F-I-N-G. Lady's finger. chilli, chilli, chilli. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. So these are the vegetables that grow above the ground. Write these things in your EVS notebook. Now children, take out your EVS book, page number 86. Today we will learn sources of water. So children, where do we get water? We have several sources from where we get water, like river, lake, well, rain, ocean, etc. This is ever you visited among these three places? Yes, from these various places we get water. Water is the most important and the necessity. So first is river. We get water from river. R-I-V-E-R, river. Next is lake. L-L-K-E, lake. Next is well. V-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L, well. Next is rain. R-A-I-N, rain. We also get water through rain by harvesting it.
Watering plants, washing plants.
Next is take out page number 86. Uses of water. Water are also used in different ways, like swimming, watering the plants, drinking, cleaning the house, washing clothes and bathing. So what are the uses of water? There are different ways we use water, like swimming, gardening, watering the plants, drinking, cleaning house, washing clothes and bathing. So that's it for today. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Bye bye.